we see the power button. We're gonna hold that. Wait for it. It says start engine request has been sent to the Mustang GT. Hey guys, welcome to Red 50. Thank you for tuning into another video. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. So, in today's video, we're going to be teaching you how to unlock your Ford vehicle with your Apple Watch. In my case, I'll be using my 2019 Mustang GT, but this should work for all of your Ford vehicles as long as your vehicle is equipped with the FordPass app. FordPass app is an original app from Ford that allows you to control various features of your car from just your iPhone or Android device. As you can see, it detects my 2019 Mustang GT here. I have the option to start the car, lock the car, unlock the car. It's got tons of feature. You also get your maintenance reminders and all of that good stuff here, like you get service, maintenance history, and all that stuff. So this basically allows you to control your any Ford product that's equipped with that is equipped with the FordPass Compatibility to control all of this nice stuff. Alright, so as far as the FordPass Compatibility is concerned, it's kind of weird, but I'll link up the website where you can check if your Ford vehicle is compatible with the FordPass app down in the description box, because for Mustangs I know they only offered it from 2018 and 2019 for the Premium Plus, which means you had the digital dash. So with the Premium only, you wouldn't be able to get that FordPass app, but starting in 2020 model years, they've pretty much opened up to all the Ford Mustangs. So even if you got the base model or 301A package, 201A package, you got the FordPass app compatibility. But depending on what Ford vehicle you may have, it may depend on the trim that you chose and also the year. So if you do have a newer Ford vehicle, it might be just on the base models too. But if you've got an older one, it might be on one of the most premium or premium plus models that you can get FordPass app compatibility. Okay, so to start your Ford vehicle with your Apple Watch, first you're gonna need to download the FordPass app from your app store. I do have an in-depth video on how to download the FordPass app and how to connect it to your Ford vehicle if this is your first time connecting the FordPass app to your Ford vehicle. So make sure you check out that video for more insight on that. It's gonna be very in-depth and very easy to follow. So that way you're properly hooking up your Ford vehicle to the FordPass app. All right, so once you've downloaded the FordPass app and you have set up your Ford vehicle, you're gonna be good to go. So obviously I have downloaded it, mine is linked up as you saw from the app currently. And now I'll be teaching you how you can unlock it with your Apple Watch. All right, so I've got my Apple Watch here. We're gonna go ahead and look up the apps. And once you're in the apps, you gotta find the FordPass app. It's right here. And voila, you can see it's my actual car, which is pretty cool how Ford is able to get the package as well. It's the black action package and the red car here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and lock the car first. Since the car is locked, I'm gonna go ahead and tap on the lock button and hold it for a little while. So it says a lock request has been sent to the Mustang GT, so we'll wait a little bit. And you can see it just locked. Now if I want to unlock the car, it's the same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the unlock, hold it for a little while. It's gonna say an unlock request has been sent to the Mustang GT. And you can see it just unlocked. Now lastly, and the most important one, is turning on the car. So we see the power button. We're gonna hold that. Wait for it. It says start engine request has been sent to the Mustang GT. Voila, the car has started. And if you decide you don't want to go in the car, unfortunately you cannot turn off the car with your Apple Watch. Even though FordPass app does let you do it with your iPhone, it's kind of strange how they skipped it out on your Apple Watch. Maybe they weren't expecting too many people to start the car and stop the car with the watch. But nonetheless, all these features are pretty cool to be using with your Apple Watch and your Ford product. Well guys, there you have it. As you saw, it was very simple to use your Apple Watch to control your Ford vehicle. In my case, my 2019 Mustang GT. Let me know in the comments below if you're able to do it without any problems. And how do you like controlling your Ford vehicle with your Apple Watch? I think it's pretty cool. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button. And as always, subscribe to Red 50 for more content.